Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need Chrome signed in and ready. Open Chrome / extensions now. First, enable developer mode so you can inspect ID and update manually. Then check existing toggles, make sure the extension you plan to install isn't blocked. Once done, decide permission level, restrict to specific sites for privacy, or allow all sites for full functionality. These quick steps set up control and safety, so installations later behave predictably, and you can revert changes without hunting through menus. You'll search the Chrome Web Store for the extension you need, then click Add to Chrome and accept required permissions. Read why each permission is requested before confirming. Once installed, open the Extensions Options page to configure behavior, keyboard shortcuts, and site-specific rules. Change settings to reduce data access if privacy matters. Make sure to pin frequently used extensions for one-click access. If an extension needs updating, use the Update button in Chrome / extensions when developer mode is active. You should now test the extension across a few pages to confirm it behaves as expected. Check permissions if something is blocked. If it misbehaves, disable other extensions to isolate conflicts, re-enable them one at a time to find the culprit. Make sure Chrome is up to date, then try removing and reinstalling the extension if problems persist. As a final step, open Chrome / extensions to inspect console errors or contact the developer with a concise bug report and reproduction steps. That helps resolve issues faster.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.